Hello and welcome to Creatively Miss Me, Decorating on a Budget. I'm Stephanie and I'm glad you're here. If you ever felt like your home should be beautiful and work for the actual life you're living, then you're in the right place. Today I'm participating in a collaboration. And the collaboration is entitled Christmas in July. Now, we have several hosts, and the hosts are Deborah Cabas's Home Living, Buckeyed Girls Lifestyle, myself, Creatively Miss Me, Decorating on a Budget, Styling with Gigi Faison, Home by Design with Marilyn, Carol Remy's, and don't forget to add that 13. Barbie Daily, Rule Life in the Valley, All Things Home on a Budget, Buffalo Check Chicks, and The Parther's Life. Now, if you're not familiar with any of these ladies, I'll have the links to their channels down below in the description. And when you go, make sure you tell them Stephanie sent you. Now, let's jump into this collaboration. We were asked to do a freestyle Christmas in July. So, if you're interested in seeing what I came up with this year, then you know what to do. Stick around. Now, your girl had a hard time trying to figure out what she was going to do. I started out with one idea, and of course, I changed it when I walked by something in my stash that I hadn't used for a long time. Now, these are these gold, I guess you call them cake plates or cupcake plates. Now, I found these years ago at Goodwill. It's a set of 3. So I decided, why not incorporate them today in my style? Now, everything that I'm using today in this collaboration is items I already had in my stash. I did not purchase anything new. I don't need anything new. I tried to keep it simple, but a little bit elegant with a touches of green, gold, and glass, or clear, as you may say. I'm trying to use little equal things that I've purchased. Now, these branches that I have here are picks. They were purchased at Amazon last year, and I used those on my fireplace and throughout my home last year for Christmas. I really like them. They look so real, and the touch, you know how you buy sunflowers and they feel gooey? Now these, they don't feel gooey or slick or oily like some of the artificial flowers feel. I really like these, and they giving me that winter, look that I'm looking for Christmas. Now let's take a closer look. I think it came out really cute, only using items I already had. This crystal Christmas tree, the red poinsettias. Those poinsettias came from Dollar Tree years ago. The ornaments that I use, like snowballs, I purchased those at Walmart a few years back. And of course, everyone knows the crystal reindeers. Those came from Hobby Lobby. Oh man, I think maybe 4 or 5 years back I purchased those. Now, as you see, I did put a saucer on the one that's sitting down because she's a little bit wide and I didn't want her wobbling. I wanted her level. So that's why I put the clear saucer on the tallest one. But I think overall, the look of this vignette for Christmas in July, I think it turned out very pretty. I really like how it all brings in that red, that white that you mostly see at Christmas. So let me know down below what you think of my Christmas in July. And don't forget to go check out the other ladies that are participating in this collaboration. And be sure you let them know that Stephanie sent you there. Also, I want to thank Deborah Cabasas for inviting me to participate in this collaboration. I have been missing for a while, but this really warmed me up and got my juices flowing into doing this collaboration. I really had fun coming up with this idea or this concept for the Christmas in July. I would love to read your comments down below. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you're feeling inspired to create a space that's both beautiful and perfectly for you without breaking the bank. Now, don't forget, you can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. The links are below. I would love to connect with you there, and I'll see you here next time on Creatively Miss Me.